Okay, we got the Evader MX3. They call it the EV50-MX3, otherwise known as the Metro. You got another model they call the Retro. This is the Metro in gray. It's a great bike. Been riding it to work all week. Doing good so far. Just want to give an initial walk around of it. I got the pedals on it. As you can see, do not like those pedals. You get in the way when you're trying to corner, so I might be taking them off. I'm at Pioneer Park, Mesa, Arizona. They've remodeled this park quite a bit. Of course, people always got to get in the shot. A little scuff there, shipping damage, and got another little scuff here, shipping damage. This is kind of a projector beam headlight. Not really. I'm going to upgrade that to an LED. And it's got the luggage compartments. Let's get a little better look at these pedals. They're actually folding pedals. Click into place like so. Same as on the other side. I'll fold them up as far as you can, because if you go to corner hard, you'll scrape the pedals. This key, I finally did find out, that unlocks the seat. Had the custom license plate made right here in town. Not too bad on the price. Got a couple of them, a couple different kinds. It's got disc brakes front and rear. And this is supposed to be a 500 watt hub motor. Might be a little more, not sure yet. There's a rear disc brake. And we'll see the controls here in the front now. It's on the left handlebar side. Got a little, got a same for this side. Got a little threaded insert there. I wonder what that's for. Maybe I can mount a cup holder. Yeah, that'd be good. Let's watch her boot up. Sorry for the reflection. .72 volts. And here we have, it's on low beam. And this is a flash to pass. See the blue light go on in there. High beam, turn signals. See that? And left. No, that's right. Sorry. This is how you cancel them. Horn. Other side. Light switch. That's off. Parking lights, which come on in the front. One little bitty light, which I'm going to upgrade that to an LED. A little emergency going on over there. I don't know. LED tail light. Don't know how I can do that. I can operate it. That's full lights. It's kind of a fake projector beam headlight. I don't know. Most of the light comes out down here. Get the turn signal going. That's the right turn signal. Left turn signal. Cancel them. Might change out these mirrors too. They say DOT on them. Can we see that? Maybe a little bit. Same for the other one. DOT. Huh. You're right. See if I can get the video. Get this in the video of the brake light. Looks like I can. Back up just a little bit. Here we go. Rear brake, front brake. Off. So we'll shut this off for a minute. Show you inside. This is a gas tank, but you have your charge port right here. Little flap. I don't know if you can see that. Circuit breaker and the special red button. Maybe I'll tell you what that does later. Then inside the luggage trunks, kind of small. Wish they were a little bigger. I'm gonna stick my charger in there, wrap it up with a microfiber towel. Some guy riding through here with one of those gas bicycles. Stinks. Then we'll go over here to the other side. Same thing. More microfiber clean for the dust off, fingerprints or what have you. I like my bikes clean. That's what that looks like. So there we have it. Quick walk around of the Evader EV50-MX3, or is it EV-50-MX3, something like that. Anyway, thanks for watching.